Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to do the graphical representation of the data using pandas in Python. So let us go in the Python, and in the first line, we'll write down import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP, import matplotlib as MPL, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. And we will be using one magical command, that is percentage matplotlib inline. Let us run this. Now, in my previous video, I had talked about how to do the graphical representation using matplotlib. If we talk about pandas, the command line is much more simple in comparison to matplotlib. So here I'll be running iris is equal to pd.read underscore xl. R is used for the smooth import of the data file, iris dataset, Titanic dataset, empty cars, or these datasets are available on Kaggle. Now I'll be using the command line iris.plot.scatter. So X is a sepal length, Y is a sepal width. The title which I give to this scatter plot is iris dataset. And you can see the same output which we generated in matplotlib is generated here. Next, we want to generate the line chart. So that can be done. So first of all, we will have to drop species name because it is a name. And for line chart, we require the values. So iris.drop species name x is equal to 1, plot.line title iris dataset, and you will get a line chart. The same line chart we had seen in matplotlib. Now I want the histograms using pandas. So I'll require a data file which is a wine reviews data file. Now you can see here wine reviews is equal to pd.read underscore csv. I have imported the data file winemac from Kaggle. So wine review is my data frame. If I run print wine reviews head, it will generate first 5 rows of this data set. Now I want to run histogram on the points, the variable which is continuous. So wine underscore reviews points dot plot dot hist round brackets, and it will run histogram. Now if I want to run more than one histogram, then we can do this here as iris.plot.hist. Subplots are true, layout is 2 by 2. So I'm dividing this space into 2 by 2, and I'm also specifying the figure size 10 by 10 of each graph. Number of pins is 20. So you can see we are having 4 graphs: petal width, petal length, sepal width, sepal length. These are the histograms. If I make this false, then all the graphs, 4 graphs will be in one histogram, in one chart, which is not advisable, and therefore it is necessary that I make this true. 4 charts we can accommodate only when we have divided the layout into 2 by 2, then only 4 graphs will be accommodated. Now when I want to generate bar chart, I'll run the command wine review points value underscore counts. We'll have to count the points. We'll have to count the reviews, the points, and we'll have to generate the histogram on that basis. Dot sort underscore index dot plot dot bar. Now if I want to make this graph horizontal, I will introduce one H here, and now my graph will become horizontal. I can also do group by command here. So I'll run wine underscore reviews dot group by according to the country price dot mean. Take the mean price from wines within various countries. Sort underscore values ascending false. Ascending is false. So we will see what happens if it is true and when it is false. Square bracket colon 5 dot plot dot bar. So let me run this command and you can see that's the price of the wine and it is in descending order. But if I make this true, you can see the changes which have happened. So this is a way you can use pandas, and the command line of pandas is much simple in comparison to matplotlib. For more videos on data science using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of data science using Python.